In today's English class, I am going to teach compound sentences. Okay. Now, what is a compound sentence? Let me explain. It has two or more main clauses combined by a coordinating conjunction. See, coordinating conjunction means it joins two sentences. It joins. Conjunction means joins, such as and so, yet, but, or, so, etc. See, there will be in a sentence, there will be two main clauses. Two sentences will be there that will have two main clause, and then there will be a conjunction. Two sentences will be joined by one conjunction. Okay. So, now the conjunctions I told you. A main class, let me tell you what is a main class. See, a main class has a subject and a finite verb. So any sentence should have a subject and a verb, and that will become a main class, and it gives a complete sense. Only then it is a main class. When a sentence gives a complete sense, it is called as a main class. It is also known as independent clause. That is, it has its own meaning. It doesn't have to depend on the next sentence or the other sentence. He attended the meeting. See here, there is a subject and a verb. He is subject, attended is verb. Example for compound sentence. He is weak. See, this is one sentence. He is active is another sentence. These two sentences are combined by a conjunction. That is called as coordination conjunction. Here it is still. See, say what is the meaning? He is weak. He is active. Though he is weak, see, still he is active. See, main class. Why it is main class? There is a verb. He is weak. There is a sense in it. The sentence is complete. He is weak. This is one main class. The other main class, he is active. Is a verb here, and then this also has a complete meaning in it. Both are joined together by conjunction. Still he is weak, still he is active. Okay. Now second sentence. This is, it was raining. The kids were playing. There are two sentences. These are joined by one conjunction. It was raining. Was is a verb here. It was raining. There is a complete sense. The kids were playing. Another sentence. It is complete. So here, which is the verb here? Were. So it was raining, yet the kids were playing. Okay. Yet is conjunction here. You are joining the sentence with yet. Third one. He is poor. He helps others. He is poor. Okay. Verb is yes. This is a main clause. He helps others is another main clause. So there are two sentences joined by but. See, though he is poor, he is poor, but he helps others. Next one. See, now convert the sentence. If you work hard, you will be rewarded. First, find out what kind of sentence is this. Here there are two. This one, you will be rewarded, is a main class. Then if you work hard is a subordinate class. Now this SOC depends on the main class. This has a complete sense, so it is a complex sentence. I already explained you complex, compound and simple. Now change it, convert it into main class. You should have two main class in the compound sentence, and it should be connected with a conjunction. See, you change this. If you work hard, you will be rewarded. So you will be rewarded, you keep it as it is. Okay, it's a main clause is there. If you work hard, how will you change? You should have one verb. You work hard, you will be rewarded. Then you combine with and. If you work hard and you will be rewarded, it becomes a compound sentence. Thank you. In the next class, I'll be giving you to convert the simple, complex, compound sentences. Okay.